Assalamu alaikum for class. As you know that we have discussed 2 points of essentials of survival, that is water and energy. Today we are going to discuss oxygen. So open your books, page number 16. Topic is oxygen. Students, what is oxygen? First question is that what is oxygen? Oxygen is a gas that we use to breathe. Clear? Oxygen is a chemical. All animals need oxygen to survive. Land animals get their oxygen from the air. Students, all animals and we also, we are as a human being, use oxygen to breathe. We need oxygen to breathe. And we are getting this oxygen from the air. Animals also get this oxygen from the air because air has a excess of oxygen. Water animals get their oxygen from the water, and the animals that are living in water, just like fishes, are using the oxygen from water. Water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. As you know that water's formula is H2O. So water has oxygen and that oxygen is used by animals. Clear? Water animals. Animals get their oxygen from plants. Plants produce oxygen. As you know that plants produce oxygen and the animals that eat the plants get their oxygen from that plants. Clear? So what do animals give plants in return? And just like plants are giving oxygen to animals, the question is there, what the animals are giving to plants in return. जिस तरह से प्लांट्स हमें ऑक्सीजन दे रहे हैं तो हम और एनिमल्स मिलके प्लांट्स को क्या दे रहे हैं. एनिमल्स प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. एनिमल्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. प्लांट्स नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द सेम वे दैट एनिमल्स नीड ऑक्सीजन. जस्ट लाइक वी नीड ऑक्सीजन टू ब्रीथ, plants need carbon dioxide to make their food. So the animals that exhale carbon dioxide, the plants use that carbon dioxide. You know that when we are inhaling, we are just getting in oxygen, and when we are exhaling, we are getting out carbon dioxide. जब हम सांस अंदर लेके जाते हैं तो हम ऑक्सीजन को अपनी बॉडी के अंदर इनहेल करते हैं, और जब हम सांस को बाहर निकालते हैं तो हम अपनी बॉडी से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर निकाल रहे होते हैं, रिलीज़ कर रहे होते हैं. सिमिलरली इसी तरह से एनिमल्स भी जो है जब सांस लेते हैं अंदर लेके जाते हैं तो वो ऑक्सीजन को अपने अंदर लेके जाते हैं, और जब सांस को बाहर निकालते हैं तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिलीज़ करते हैं, और वही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लांट्स यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ क्लियर? As long as there are lots of animals and plants living close together, there is enough oxygen and carbon dioxide. You know that as long as we are living together, we as a human being, animals and plants, we are living together, we have a lot of oxygen and carbon dioxide to just live out. हमें ज़िंदगी गुजारने के लिए हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेस हैं. क्लियर? So that is because animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. The reason is that animals are breathing in oxygen that is produced by plants, and plants are releasing oxygen that is we are using. So we are just trying to give and take process. It's a give and take. कुछ ले रहे हैं, कुछ दे रहे हैं. हम उनसे ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं और वो हमसे बदले में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले रहे हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारी बॉडी में ये नेचुरल सिस्टम है दैट वी आर जस्ट एक्सेलिंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. आवर बॉडी डू नॉट नीड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. क्लियर? सो देयर इज गिवन अ पिक्चर. So plants produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. You know that what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process of making food in plants. So when they are making their food, they are just releasing oxygen, and animals are taking that oxygen. And when the animals are releasing carbon dioxide, that is used by plants in their photosynthesis process. So plants take in carbon dioxide, plants use carbon dioxide to make their food through photosynthesis. So here is a point, try this. None of the three essential things needed for survival is more or less important than the other. You know that 3 points we have read, that is energy, water and oxygen. Three of all are really important. None of them are more or less important. We need all of them to survive. But however, humans require oxygen more often than water and energy. लेकिन इसके साथ साथ जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है उसको ऑक्सीजन की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. How? See how long you can hold your breath. You just hold your breath and try to do not breathe. So you will see that you can't survive without breath. Your body will react more quickly to a lack of oxygen than it will to a lack of food or water. You know that जब आप अपने सांस को रोकेंगे तो आप चंद लम्हों के बाद ही आपकी बॉडी फ़ौरन इस पर रिएक्ट करेगी और वो आपको ये चीज़ बता देगी, आपको ये शो करवा देगी कि हम लोग सांस लिए बगैर नहीं रह सकते. जबकि हम वाटर के बगैर वी कैन लिव almost 3 days, and without food we can live 7 days, but we can't live without oxygen. हम सांस लिए बगैर जो है चंद लम्हों से ज़्यादा नहीं जी सकते. Clear now? Pick up your notes. Look at question number 12. What is oxygen? Why animals need oxygen? Answer is here. Question number 13. What do animals give to plants? Answer is here. Question number 14 is what do plants give to animals? Answer is here. How the animals and plants help to each other in breathing. Students, these are the questions that are related to your topic, so learn them carefully. Must learn the spellings. Clear? Okay, Allah Hafiz.